unbox. Gifts for the beauty lover. That's me. Is that you? It's me. Okay, we're gonna start right down here and work our way down. Come on in close. Oh, yes. Okay, It Cosmetics CC Cream, SPF 50, very important. Your mama always told you so. All right, so this one, let's see, we've got a shade. It's my shade medium. That's so thoughtful. Thank you. I love that we have free exchanges in case you accidentally got me light, because medium would be perfect. So this is great. SPF 50, it's your anti-aging hydrating serum, full coverage cream, color correcting, everything we want built into one. It Cosmetics, good stuff. So far you're doing great. Okay, here we go. What is this? What is this? Josie Maran? Okay, lip gloss, we're starting off great. Is this like a little play on the advent calendar, kind of? How you have to open up the little doors? All right, you know what? I'm not patient, I'm going in. I'm going in and I'm throwing things. Whoa, okay now. Okay, it's a whole Argan collection. This is what's happening. We lost a lip gloss. That's my gift to you. Then we have whipped argan oil. This is the body butter. We have milk, anti-aging serum. That's incredible. Whipped argan hand cream, perfect for this time of year. Lip gloss. Argan oil, where it all began, a mini, so you can gift it to someone else, and then mascara. Yes, please, and thank you. Wow, that's a lot. That's like all of her classics built into one. How about that? Yes, we do love you, Josie. We do. Okay, then let's see. Oh, no way. Oh, no way. This is from Tarte. Guys, Shape Tape, wearing it right here. This is my fave. This is one of the best concealers, and it comes with Lights, Camera, Lashes, mascara, all right? Oh, that's incredible. Wow, I didn't even know they were doing this little 2-in-1 situation. But this is great, because you can just use Shape Tape right under the eyes and then boom, pop with the lashes. Very cool. Shade medium, thank you. So thoughtful. Okay, moving on. This one seems big. Do you love the big gift? I love the big gift. No way, you got me a Dyson? Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is the reaction you guys, there is a Dyson in here. This is what you're gonna get. The Dyson hairdryer. It's gonna blow your mind. Did you like that pun? It's coming with the diffuser and this concentrator and the smoothing nozzle. Speechless. Speechless. Okay. Bye, guys. Okay, I've got one more to show you, but I might try to put that one aside. One more. Oh, now. A Philosophy 3-piece collection, a little layering for us. Starts out with the shampoo shower gel bubble bath, 3-in-1. Love, 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 and Customer Choice Beauty Award winner, like forever. Then we have, what is this? The spray, the body spritz. Oh, I love the body spritz, so nice. By the way, I use this as an everything spritz, like room, pillows, yeah, dog. Don't do that. Or I don't recommend it. Oh yeah, the body souffle. This was the first Philosophy product I ever got to use, and it's an incredible hydrator for the body. So you've got your cleanser, you've got your hydrator, and then you've got your beautiful spritz as well. So beautiful layering story there from Philosophy. Those are some good gifts. Beautiful, beautiful beauty gifts. That's what we like to see. Philosophy, Josie Maran, Dyson, It Cosmetics, Tarte. Oh, gosh, what more could a girl ask for? All right, well, if you want to find gifts like this and more, be sure to check out our gift guide.